I'm Brian Van, sportbiketrackgear.com, and today we're going to install the Hotbodies carbon fiber front fender on the 2017 STG R6 project bike. Okay, this Hotbodies carbon fiber front fender fit great. It was an easy install. As you watch the video, we're going to give you an inside-out look of the fender. The quality's great. This is a part they're not manufacturing. They are importing this. It looks phenomenal. They've got a nice warranty against fading. I think it was 2 years. Look to their website for details of that. But they really believe in this product. They sent one out for us for the R6 project bike to do an install, and I have to tell you, I'm really impressed. It fit great. The easiest part I've ever installed from Hotbodies is this. This thing was nearly perfect. This is a simple project, a couple of basic hand tools, 5mm T-handle, I had a 10mm wrench, little flat-bladed screwdriver in case I need it. You're going to use all the OE hardware, the grommets, top hat washers, and the fasteners to do the install. And you can see this thing looks dead sexy on this white R6. Phenomenal. I'm sure it would look good on any of the color schemes. If you want to see a little more detail, watch the install part of the video. Okay, tools for this job, very, very basic. Got a 5mm T-handle, a flat-bladed screwdriver to pull the grommets out of the stock fender, and a 10mm wrench in case I need it for the backup nuts on one of the fender mounts. Remove the stock fender. We have 3 fasteners on each side. This is a mount I think anybody's gonna be able to do at home. What I'm doing right now is I've got my finger just holding that 10mm nut. It's on the other side of the fender. I'll show you this in a second. The way this Hotbodies carbon fender is designed, it uses all the stock grommets and spacers. There is that nut. Go ahead and get this fastener out, like so. Repeat the process on the other side, just a mirror image. Two more. All right. Grab a hold of it and slide it past the forks. Okay. Clearly Ryan needs to clean his bike a little better, right? Point that out. Pull all these grommets and spacers out. And we're going to reinstall them exactly the same as they were in the OEM fender. May not need the screwdriver here. Not sure yet. You're going to put those back in the same way. Okay, before I put any of the grommets in there, let's take a look at this. This is not manufactured by Hotbodies, okay? This is a product they're importing. Let's go ahead and have a look at the quality. It's really light, I'll tell you that. The finish looks great. All the holes are already drilled, ready to accept the grommets. We're going to use all the stock hardware. It's got good flexibility to it. I'd have to say I'm pretty impressed with it. If it fits as good as it looks, it's going to be a great addition to that bike. So you want to take and reinstall all the grommets, same way that you remove them from that OE fender. It's a pretty basic job at the end of the day. This is really more about just kind of showcasing the product, seeing how it fits, what it looks like on the motorcycle. you're going to invest this kind of money in a carbon fender, you want to make sure that you're getting a quality product and it's going to fit as expected. I also noticed that Hotbodies is offering a 2-year warranty on this product against fading, sun damage. You can check their site for details on that. That's directly through them, of course, if you do happen to have an issue. So they have a lot of confidence in this product. Make sure you put the top hats in, same way they were installed previously, which is what I'm doing right now. It's all went in there pretty well. I mean, not quite as clean as the OE, but it was very, very close. Now we'll come over to the bike. Fender's a tough piece to make. I think I've said that a lot of times when we do the race bodywork installs. There's a lot of angles, right, with a fender that you have to get right in order for this thing to fit. And this looks all right, man. This looks all right. Get a couple of the fasteners started so they're tight. So far, so good. They've got a full line of these carbon parts available for several models. Got front fenders, rear fenders. Like I saw for the Honda Grom, they've got a ton of stuff for the 2017 Grom. Now, if you want to take your mini bike project to the carbon fiber level, I mean, they've got, you know, a front headlight surround, they've got a tank top, everything. Carbon sides. This is really going on very nicely. Super happy with this. Be nice if the race body work installed this easy. Okay, we can go ahead and torque them down now. I will need the backup wrench for the rearward-most mount. Get these snugged up here first. Got my super sweet new tool cart. Nice little bike masterpiece. Really pretty happy with that. I've needed that for a long time. Make life a little easier. Doing all these project videos. All right, there you have it. That fit really, really well. This may well be the best fitting Hotbodies piece I have ever installed on a motorcycle. I've always been able to get a good result with their stuff, no doubt about it, but this went on really nice, lived up to the billing for sure. This is the Hotbodies carbon fiber front fender on the 2017 STG R6 project bike.